Hello students, how are you? Good. That's really great. Me also good. Now tell me how is going your study at home? आपकी पढ़ाई कैसी चल रही है घर पे? I would like to say that you have to more focus on your study at home. आपको घर पे रहकर अब पढ़ाई पे थोड़ा ज़्यादा ध्यान देना चाहिए. Yes, I know some students are doing well. हाँ, मैं जानती हूँ कुछ स्टूडेंट्स तो अच्छे से पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, होमवर्क कर रहे हैं. बट ऑल ऑफ यू हैव टू स्टडी हार्ड अलॉन्ग विद प्ले. आपको खेल के साथ साथ पढ़ाई पे भी थोड़ा सा ध्यान ज़्यादा देना चाहिए. नाउ टुडे let's start today's session. This session for UKG class, subject math, lecture number 11, topic counting 151 onwards. Okay, counting 151 के आगे की हम करेंगे. First you have to open your notebook. We will revise 150 counting. Okay, now let's open your notebook. Yes. Yes. Now start with me. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. Okay. Now in third row, and you have to speak loudly. थोड़ा जोर से बोलिए बेटा. Stop talking. बातें नहीं करनी. Yes, focus on screen. 121, 122. Yes, very good. 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130. Here 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140. Yes, repeat with me. मेरे साथ repeat कीजिए, दोहराइए. 141, 142, 143. Yes, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150. It's your counting 101 to 150. ये आपकी काउंटिंग है 101 से 150. आई होप यू हैव लर्नड. मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको ये याद हो गई होगी. ओके, नाउ इट्स योर previous work. Yes, if you want open your notebook then open it. अगर आपने नोटबुक ओपन करना चाहते हैं तो नोटबुक ओपन कर लीजिए. Yes, now put your finger. अपनी फिंगर रखिए अपने नोटबुक पे. Yes, have you put it? आपने रख ली. Now repeat with me. 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160. Okay, now turn your page. Now start write. लिखना शुरू कीजिए. First you have to write here capital D, then small a, T, A. It's your date, D-A-T-E, date. Then leave one box and write down here D, capital, then small a, by. It's your day, D-A-Y, day. Then this side, write down here C dot. C means class, W for work, class work. Then here write down C, capital, then small o, U, N, T, I, N, G. It's your counting. We can say in Hindi गिनती. हम हिंदी में कैसे बोल सकते हैं काउंटिंग को? गिनती. C-O-U-N-T-I-N-G, counting. C should be capital, O-U-N-T-I-N-G, small letters. Then leave one box and write down here 151. It's 151. Then make slipping line and write down here 170. I have already taught 151 to 160. So today we will do 151 to 170. Okay, now here this side write down H, H for 100, T for tens, O for ones, 100, tens, ones. Now here write down 1, 5, 1, 151. Then here 1, 5, 2, 152. 1, 5, 3, 153. 1, you have to write neat and clean. आपको सुंदर सुंदर काम करना है in your notebook, अपनी notebook में. Yes, write down what comes here. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Yes, 1, 5, 4. 1, 5, 4 means 154. Now write down here again 1, 5. What comes here? What comes after 54? 55. 5, 5, 55. 155. Now here 1, 5, 6. 156. 1, 5, 7. 157. 1, 5, 8. 158. Then here 1, 5, 9. 159. Then write down here 1, 6, 0. It's 160. Now leave here how many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to leave 5 boxes. Then write down here H, H for 100, T, T for tens, O, O for ones, O for ones. Then here write down 1, 6, 1. It's your 161. Then in next box write down 1, 6, 2, 162. Then write down 1, 6, 3. It's your 163. Then write down 1. Yes, you have to write like this. 6, 4, standing line, sleeping line, and again standing line. Then 164. 1, 6. Yes, what comes here? 5. 165. 1, 6. Again write down 6. You have to write 2 times 6 here only. Okay. 166, 166. Now write down 1, 6, 7. 167. 1, 6, 8. It's your 168. 1, 6, 9. 169. Now here 1, 7, 0. 170. 170. Now let's revise one time. एक बार रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160. Now here 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169, 170. It's your counting from 151 to 170. Now you have to write HW. Okay. Then write down here H dot W. Means H for home, W for work. Home, work. Then you have to make sleeping line and write down L. L should be capital. E small, A, R, N. These are small letters. Then slash, write down capital R, small e, small w, small r, small I, small t, and again small e. It's rewrite. दोबारा लिखना. Then leave one box and write down here T, H, E. These are also small letters. Here write down C dot W and leave one box. Okay. Then it's your homework. Learn and rewrite the classwork. How many times? 2 times classwork and 2 times homework. Okay. 2 times classwork, 2 times homework. Subscribe this channel if you like my video that it is this lecture. Goodbye.